Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have 4 big wild animals stuck in Sandbox. So we will rescue all these big and small animals. Let's start the video. Our first animal is cow. Cows have been domesticated for thousands of years. They can produce up to 8 gallons of milk in a day. And the next animal is bear. The first bear was the down bear which was alive around 10 million years ago. And the next animal is duck. A duck is a small type of swimming bird with a short neck and legs. They have webbed feet to help them swim and broad and flat bills. And the next animal is camel. There are 160 words for camel in Arabic. Camels are born without humps. Next animal is rooster. They have bad senses of smell and taste but good hearing. They scratch and claw at the ground looking for food. And the next animal is black bear. Black bears are about 3 feet high when standing on all 4 feet and 5 feet to 7 feet tall when standing upright. Bears live in various types of habitat. And the next animal is hippopotamus. Hippopotamuses can live for up to 50 years in the wild. A group of hippopotamuses also be called a flock, school, herd, or dell. And the next animal is zebra. Each zebra has its own unique pattern of distinctive stripes, just as humans have their own pattern of fingerprints. And the next animal is rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are large, heavy animals with thick gray or brown skin, short legs and nose, or two horns on their nose. And the next animal is the barking animal dog. They only show it from their paws and have to cool down by panting. And the next animal is panda. Pandas are born looking like naked, pink slugs and weigh just 100 grams. Our next animal is reindeer. Reindeer stand about 2 to 5 feet, 0.6 to 1.5 meters high at the shoulder. Our next animal is the clever animal wolf. They can reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour when sprinting. And the next animal is tiger. On average, the big cat weighs 450 pounds, about the same as 8-10-year-old kids. And the next animal is cheetah, the fastest mammal on land. The cheetah can reach speeds of 60 or perhaps even 70 miles, 97 or 113 kilometers and haul over short distances. And the next animal is the king of the jungle, lion. Female lions are the main hunters. While they are out looking for food, the males guard the prized territory and their young. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. And the next animal is sheep. Sheep are domesticated animals raised on farms for their wool, meat, and milk. And the next animal is goat. Kids get up and walk around just minutes after they are born. Many species of wild goats are endangered. And the next animal is cow. Cows can gum you but can't bite because they do not have front upper teeth. And the next animal is giraffe. Giraffes are found in the dry savannas of Africa where they roam among the open plains and woodlands. Well known for their long necks, these gentle giants are the world's tallest living land animals. And the next animal is moose. The flap of skin under a moose's chin is called a bell. Moose are also called rubber-nosed swamp donkeys. And the next animal is camel. Camels store water in their blood, and camel milk is incredibly nutritious. And the next animal is white tiger. White tigers are not a separate species of tiger. And our last animal is horse. A typical domesticated horse stands 5 feet 1.5 meters tall at the shoulder. It weighs about 1,150 pounds, 520 kilograms. A horse's legs are strong even though they look very slender.